Okay guys, this video is to show how to take apart the developers C, the DAC, right? So basically, just remove, let me show you very quick, remove the back battery and the two little screws that goes here. For that, you will need a Torx T3. It is T3, let me just check. Yeah, it is T3. You can see it there. Just focus there. Well, whatever, T3. So I remove those two things, and this goes like that. You can see. Let me just remove the memory and also the battery. Okay, let me check what's the other screwdriver for this. One sec. Okay, next one is for these two here. You can see 1 and 2, very tiny ones. You will need a Torx T4. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Okay, so they are now out. They are there. So you can see. We need to remove this little part here. To do that, I'll need to use a Phillip. I'll use this one. You need to take this out completely. It's like sticky, and I don't think you can reuse this anymore because the shape is different from the DAC one. Well, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so yeah, I've taken this out. You can see, put it here somewhere, and now take out the screws from the front, which is Torx T4, as well as the two ones we took already. Okay, just showing you very quick. I'll take this one now. Very careful. Get this one out. Okay, they're quite long, by the way. See if we might nail. Yep. You can see this part goes out. Okay, so now we need to take this whole thing out. Okay. Yep. So basically, to take this one, and there's another one here, and there's another one here. Take the whole thing out. You need to have something that resembles like a star. It's a very weird shape. As a matter of fact, in the tool set, it shows like that. Let me just see if I can focus there. Well, it can't, but it shows like yeah, like a Y, and then says 1.5. So with the one that looks like a Y, you can see all of them are here. I was able to take this whole thing out, which I have the in the new part. You can see how it start like looking like now. Okay, so we need to get rid of the middle plate now. Okay, so this one need to be more careful removing everything, because it has like flex here, there, and a couple of screws. Okay. By the way, I'm taking pictures of the whole thing so I know where exactly is every screw. Okay. Finally, to take out the main board, you need to take these two from there. I think. Let me see if it's just that or it has more screws. But I presume, yeah, it's just, well, that's the headphone apparently. Nope, these two were there apparently for the headphones. So part are we gonna reuse? Okay. Well, it's been a little while, but basically, you need to take the keyboard and then push the screen to the front. Obviously, disconnecting all these things first. That goes to the screen. So there is the screen over there, and here's the main board. So what I'm gonna do now is, this is the new part. Obviously, put the screen back into place, And then in the back, obviously, put the main board again back to where it belongs. I'll show you now. Okay, so as I was saying, let me just put the light on. Just push the screen back into the place, then put the keyboard, you know. So yeah, just a matter of putting now the main board back. And what's the other thing? And obviously, yeah, then putting the speakerphone thing back in place, and obviously put all the screws. Now you can see this is the shit, you know, they'll keep pressing the O. It's not very good quality, that's why, compared to the OEM one. Okay. Yeah. So I have the speaker phone back in place. Now I'm gonna put all the screws, you know, same order I was taking them out. Well, as you can see, I put all the flex cables in place. This one, this one, this one. This one goes there, and the speakerphone one goes there. Now what I'm gonna do is put in the new back part in place. Start like putting all the screws, and then at the end, obviously, is going to be the little part on the top, which is this one. Goes like, you know. I'll show you now. Okay, just put the back part in place. Now what I need to do is put the screws that goes here, these two here, right? And put the part in the top. I'm gonna show you later. And two screws that go in the front. I don't have this part, and I don't have the part in the back, so yeah, it's gonna be incomplete. It feels a bit stiff, the keyboard as well. Need to push it to the back. So last thing to do is take this and put it on top. That's it. Then put the two screws. You can see I put the little two screws in the front, and all the others in the place they were supposed to be. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We just very quick put these two in place. So yes, I can just turn it back on. Hopefully, you know, I didn't leave anything disconnected, so should be back on in a second. Okay, it's the battery. Blink the LED in red. There we go. Thanks God it's working. I was like, whew. Yeah, now we just need a case, something, you know, to cover this place in the meantime, because otherwise we'll get so much dirt. Okay, let me see. Touch screen's working fine. Great. Just need to try the keyboard. But apparently everything looks nice. So you guys can see there. Let me just. Yeah, you can see. It looks much better with this one. Take some pictures and put a Blackberry, so you guys can see. Very soft, and the very nice the feel. Let me show you on the top. Nice, rounded. Let me turn the light on. Feels and looks like you know, like a Q10. Try to see if the keyboard works. Oh, perfect. Yeah, works fine. You can see. Nicely done.